Welcome to A Quiet Transformation. In today's journey, we explore how a forgotten backyard corner, dry, neglected, and lifeless, can become a sanctuary of peace. This isn't just a backyard makeover, it's a path toward presence through the lens of Zen garden design and traditional Japanese courtyard ideas. We'll reshape stillness into beauty and neglect into intention. Picture that corner, cracked concrete, overgrown weeds, a random plastic chair left to fade. This is where most makeovers begin, not with beauty, but with honesty. A Zen garden doesn't start with perfection. It begins with acceptance of what is. The story of peace grows from the raw truth of the present. Before we place a single stone, we clear the space, slowly. Mindfully remove clutter, not just to clean, but to create room for breath. In Japanese courtyard ideas, empty space is sacred. It's called mae. The space between things, that breath, becomes the silence where your sanctuary can whisper. We begin with structure. A bamboo fence or wooden screen defines boundaries gently, not to box you in, but to soften distractions. In Zen garden design, enclosures are not walls. They are invitations to look inward. The first step in your backyard makeover is building a quiet frame for stillness. Let's shift the ground. Replace patchy lawn with soft pea gravel or crushed granite. Each crunch beneath your feet is a reminder to walk slowly. This ground isn't for rushing, it's for arriving. A true Zen haven starts from the ground up with texture, simplicity, and rhythm. Now, shape the flow. Use curved edging stones or meandering gravel paths. Straight lines are rare in nature. And in Japanese courtyard ideas, nature is the guide. These curves lead your eyes and body gently. There's no rush to the destination. The path is the experience. Find the soul of your garden, a single focal point, a weathered stone, a standing lantern, a small, still basin. Zen garden design honors one strong element at a time. In your dead corner, this piece becomes the heart. Calm, centered, unmoved, Around it, the garden breathes. Let's add water, not for sound, but for reflection. A low stone basin filled by rain or hand, or a small still pond, mirroring the sky. In this backyard makeover, water brings balance. It teaches you to be soft and strong, still and deep, just like the garden. Select plants like you're painting with emotion. One pine tree bent by wind. A clump of moss underfoot, tall grasses. Swaying. Zen gardens are not crowded with color. They whisper. Green. Each plant in this Japanese courtyard idea has a role to evoke time, weather, and quiet movement. Lighting transforms your haven by night. A hidden spotlight behind a rock, a soft glow beneath a bamboo stalk. Don't flood the space, just suggest it in Zen garden design. Shadows matter as much as light. The mystery invites you to return again and again. Add a bench or flat stone to sit. This is your still point. Facing your focal element, you rest here, not to observe the garden, but to merge with it in this backyard makeover. The seat is not for guests, it's for you, for quiet mornings, for twilight, breathing. Now, layer sounds, not music. Place a wind chime. Near a corner where air flows, let bamboo click softly. Let gravel shift underfoot. These are the gentle voices of your Zen haven. In Japanese courtyard ideas, silence is filled with delicate sound. Garden needs mystery. Not everything should be seen at once. Let a corner be partially hidden. Let a stone peek from moss. In Zen garden design, beauty unfolds slowly. Your backyard transformation is not a reveal, it's a discovery. One step, one glance, one breath at a time. Place stepping stones irregularly. Let your foot adjust to the path. This slows you, awakens you. Japanese courtyard ideas favor imperfection. Stones aren't just for walking. They are invitations to notice where and how you walk. The journey itself becomes the meditation. Add a dry stream, just gravel winding like water. Edge it with stone, curve it naturally. This is symbolic of flow, not function. Even without real water, your dead corner becomes alive with suggestion. Zen garden design often speaks through metaphor. Introduce contrast, rough bark beside smooth stone, round leaves above sharp gravel. This contrast awakens the senses. Peaceful landscaping isn't monotony, it's balance. In your backyard makeover, each texture is a dialogue, each difference holds harmony. A single lantern, tall, stone, slightly aged. It need not light up. Its presence is enough. In traditional Zen garden design, lanterns symbolize wisdom lighting the path. Even in daylight, their form brings calm. Choose one, let it anchor the silence. If space allows, add a gate, real or symbolic. A simple wooden arch, a bamboo threshold. This marks your entry into stillness. In Japanese courtyard ideas, a gate separates the ordinary world from the sacred. It's not for keeping people out. It's for inviting the soul in. Add moss where shade lingers. Let it take time. Missed it. Daily ... Moss doesn't shout, it hums. In your backyard transformation, moss is a teacher. It shows that beauty comes slowly, quietly, under care ... A Zen haven welcomes patience. Let a single tree dominate the scene. A Japanese maple, a pine, or even a carefully pruned fig. This tree becomes the witness. Seasons will dress it. Winds will shape it. Your Zen garden design now has a vertical story, growing upward and inward. Consider a simple sculpture, a stone pagoda, a figure of Jizo. Something symbolic, not decorative. In peaceful landscaping, meaning matters. Choose what speaks to your spirit. Place it with reverence. Let it become part of the silence. Use natural materials, stone, bamboo, wood. Avoid plastic, concrete, or bright paint. Zen garden design honors what we find in nature. This keeps your backyard makeover grounded, timeless, and truly peaceful. Simplicity is not lack, it is precision. Frame the view from your home when you look outside. Let that dead corner now be your sanctuary. Place your focal point so it aligns with a window or door. In Japanese courtyard ideas, the garden is not outside the home, it's part of it. Let time show. Don't aim for perfection. Let some edges fray. Let moss creep ... Zen gardens are never finished. They age. They deepen ... Your backyard makeover becomes a relationship. One that evolves as you do. Place a small rake. Use it occasionally on gravel. This is not for order. It's for presence ... Raking becomes a form of meditation. With every line, your thoughts settle. This is what makes Zen garden design both spiritual and simple. Invite the sky. Leave open space. Don't overfill. Let clouds reflect in still water. Let moonlight spill across gravel. In peaceful landscaping, the sky is part of the garden. This vertical openness brings depth to even the smallest space. Tend it gently, prune, mindfully, sweep occasionally. Your Zen haven is not high maintenance, but it needs care. Like a relationship in your backyard transformation, tending becomes a ritual. It returns you to presence. Share the space with nature. Let birds visit. Let insects rest. Don't spray. Don't force. This corner is now a habitat. As much as a haven, a Zen garden is not separate from life. It is part of the web of it. Step back. Look at what you've created. This was once a forgotten space. Now, it is a place that breathes, a sanctuary, a statement of your inner world made visible. Zen garden design has brought peace, not by adding more, but by choosing less. Thank you for walking with us through this gentle backyard makeover. May your own Zen haven remind you to slow down, to breathe, to notice. If this transformation inspired you, subscribe for more peaceful landscaping journeys. Your corner of calm is just the beginning.